In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slack bots to enhance productivity. To get started, open Slack and log into your workspace. Once you're in, go to the channel or area of the workspace where you want to use a bot. This matters because some bots are meant for personal productivity, while others are designed to support a full team or a specific project channel. Next, head over to the Slack app directory and search for productivity bots. This is where you can explore tools that extend what Slack can do. Some common examples include Slackbot, Asana, Trello, Google Drive, and Zapier for Slack. Each one supports a different type of workflow, so it helps to think about what you want to improve before choosing one. For example, you might want reminders, task updates, file notifications, or automated alerts. Once you've found a bot you want to use, select it and click Add to Slack. Before installing, take a moment to review the permissions it requests. This is important because the bot may need access to messages, channels, or connected apps in order to work properly. If everything looks good, authorize the installation to add it to your workspace. After installation, configure the bot settings. Depending on the app, you may be able to set reminders, customize notifications, connect external tools, or define automated workflows. This setup stage is where you make the bot useful for your actual day-to-day work. So it's worth being thoughtful here. From there, start automating repetitive tasks. Common examples include daily stand-up reminders, task notifications, calendar alerts, lead notifications, and project status updates. For instance, a bot can automatically notify your team when a task is assigned in Asana. Small automations like this can save time and reduce the need for manual follow-ups. You can also use /commands to trigger actions directly inside Slack. Many bots support commands like /remind, /Trello, /Asana, or /Zapier. These commands let you take action quickly without leaving the conversation, which makes your workflow much smoother. If you want to go further, create automated workflows by combining Slack with automation tools. This can help you send alerts when forms are submitted, notify channels about new sales, create tasks automatically, or share reports on a schedule. As you use these bots, monitor how well they're performing. Review notification accuracy, workflow effectiveness, team adoption, and the amount of time saved. If messages become too frequent, adjust the settings to avoid notification overload. Ultimately, the goal is to optimize your workspace by automating repetitive tasks, reducing manual updates, centralizing notifications, and improving team communication. When used strategically, Slack bots can make your workspace more organized, responsive, and productive.